evening, my dear friends. So today is day three of learning of Excel. Now, today we will discuss these four formulas related to the count. So count, countaf, and countafs. So firstly, we will discuss the count. So count is applicable only for the numerical values. Let's see uh, how to calculate this thing. Like if we want to calculate text value, uh, so count is not applicable, but we want to calculate only numerical value, so this formula is applicable only for numeric value, so it count the numerical value. So here is the numerical values, total is 9. But let's see, if I change the numerical value with text, so what will we get? So we get 8. So here it's showing the 9, but the numerical value is only 8. So it is helpful when the data is big. So you can apply this formula in big Excel sheet or big data. So now let's this one. And now second formula is counta. So counta is applicable for the numerical as well as for text number. So now here we calculate counta. If we want to calculate the count of the teams, how many teams played? So 9 teams played. So this is it is applicable everywhere. If I change numerical value with the text, so it doesn't matter. It always provide the answer is 9. Let's see if we change with the CB or not CB. So it always provide 9, but count always provide the answer is 8. Now let's move on. Countef. So where we applied countef. So let's check this one. England and so 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 countef formula COUNT. Set apply the range, like I apply the range of team and criteria is yes, so it's not applicable. If we select the data from the two columns, so it always gives the answer is 0. So this is applicable only for the one column. So here we can change with the F, and this is also with the F. And what we want the answer, we want in F column, we want the how many 38 numbers repeated. So 38. So answer is 6. So in F comma, if you filter with the 38, so you will get the answer 6 times repeated. So count if is applicable for the one column where you find the number of the data, how much number of data is repeated. And now let's discuss about the count if. So count if is applicable for the two columns. So here we can apply the count ifs. So COUNTIF is applicable for the criteria. First, we want country name is England, and second criteria is Champion League. First criteria is England, and second criteria is England is participate in Champion League. Yes or no? So we want only yes answer. So here we can select the yes, and bracket 1, bracket close, and or you just enter the button. So we got the answer is 2. So here England, and in participation you got the answer is 2. So here, so now it's completed the for formula of count related to count ifs and count ifs. If you have any problem related to the count, so you can directly comment what's your problem, and I'll try to give all your answer. Thank you so much, my dear friend.